Okay, after we've created a style, remember that style belongs to that workbook. Now, if you would like to, you can merge styles into another workbook. So if you look at this, this is the workbook that we had open. Now, if I opened up the other workbook, and you'll see it's loan payment 2, and you'll see both of them. Now, if I wanted to merge this to where it would have also the custom style that I had created, remember, in the other one, you'll see the Carl, you see? Well, I need to open up the second one. Now that I've got that, I'll go ahead and do Cell Styles, and then I'm going to merge styles. And it says, okay, you want to do from the loan payments? That's the only style that we have available because you made one for the loan payments. Remember, this is loan payments 2. So I say, yes, I want to merge the style. And I say, okay, see? And we say yes. And so now, this is loan payments 2. And look, now I have it in this one also, not just this one. You see? It's in there on both of them now. We click back to the loan payments 2, and you'll also see the style in there too. So that's how you merge the style.